Welcome to the Chic Show, short and chic edition. For this project, I'm using this spring sign from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be removing the two flowers and the pot. Now I'm going to be scoring the board in the places where it looks like there are individual boards. I went ahead and removed all of the paper, and now I'm going to give it a couple of coats of Waverly plaster. Now that the paint has dried, I'm going to score those lines once again. Now using hazelnut, I'm going to dry brush over the fence. I'm using hazelnut again with a smaller brush just to emphasize those scored lines. I'm going to use this piece of a former project and paint it with 2 coats of Waverly plaster. These Dollar Tree rub-on transfers are exactly what I need for this sign. I'm using these small gold brads to look like nails in the sign. Now we can hot glue the sign to the fence. I'm also using 2 of these push pins from Dollar Tree that have the hook on them. I did use some rub and buff to make them gold, and we're going to put those through the sign to hang a couple of other items. Now to make a nest and some eggs to put in the watering can. Once I add some Dollar Tree floral to the bucket, we're ready to display. I hope you like this little spring project. If you plan on making it yourself, leave me a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye now.